Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're dealing with an annoying Cyberpunk 2077 launch error. So you've probably had this before. It's a Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library error. That's the exact error there. You've already seen it, so there's no point going over it again. And we're going to attempt to fix it. There's a couple of things you can do to fix it, but if it doesn't work, there's a couple of workarounds as well, which solve the problem. So we're going to jump straight into it. So the first thing we have here is when you launch the game via Steam, I'll just close this running instance. So basically you're trying to launch the game from Steam, GOG, EpicGames, whatever, and that's the error message you get. So we're going to attempt to fix it so that you can launch it from the platform. Alternatively, we'll be able to launch it using a backup plan if this doesn't actually solve the problem. So to begin, we're going to go to Control Panel and we're going to go to Programs and Features, and we're going to go down and find our Microsoft Visual C++ library. So that's this collection here. So what you need to do, just double click on one, accept the security prompt, and you'll get this little window here appear. So click Repair and let the process complete. Do that for every single one of them here that it allows you to. So once you've done that, restart your computer. Go back over to Cyberpunk and check if it launches. If it doesn't, just head on over to the Microsoft website and download any of the ones you notice are missing. So it could be anyone. So just go through the Microsoft catalog and install any of the ones that are missing. Just make sure when you do it, you install the 64-bit and the 32-bit versions. For whatever reason, some of them require you to have both. There was an issue with Premiere Pro a while back. It was the same problem. So just go through and check those. Obviously, make sure you restart your computer after you've done it. If that doesn't solve the problem, update your graphics drivers, update Windows, and that should fix the problem. However, if it doesn't, we're going to go through the two workarounds that will allow you to play the game with mods or without mods, regardless of that issue. So to do that, if you're using Vortex and you've got mods on, you can launch the game from the top of the screen here. So launch with red mods enabled, or you can launch here using the second option. So REDlauncher for GOG, Steam, and Epic. I've used that for both of them. So we'll just click this one here now just to show that it actually works. So even though I had the runtime error in Steam, you can still launch the game from Vortex with mods and everything. So if you don't use mods and you're not using Vortex, the next way to do it is to jump back over to File Explorer, go to where you have the game installed. So for me, it's on D drive. Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Cyberpunk, and you can launch from REDlauncher here. You can make a shortcut for this as well. You can place it anywhere and launch directly from that. Again, here's another example. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the current options we have at the moment to solve this error. I'm sure there's probably going to be some more coming, so if you do figure out a 100% working solution for the Steam and GOG runtime error, let me know in the comments and I'll update the video. But until then, these are the current options we have. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. I hope you found it useful, I hope it helps, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone, thanks for watching.